And 00 Papa, we're having a gear extension problem. We have to go around.
Comanche 00 Papa, roger. You can overfly the runway, and would you like us to give you an indication of how it looks?
I can tell that it's not down.
00 Papa, roger. Runway 21, cleared low approach. Caution light turbulence departing beach jet.
Approach 21, 00 Papa.
Cessna 2 Lima Delta, caution light turbulence departed beach jet. No delay, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Traffic, mile-and-a-half final, Comanche. Comanche 00 Papa, when able, report number of people on board and fuel remaining.
One person and 1 hour.
Comanche 00 Papa, side step to the left of the runway.
Side step.
Cessna 9 Mike Echo, runway 21, cushion. Runway 21 continue, traffic will be holding position, a Hawker, and extend downwind.
Good. Extend downwind and what's the Mike Echo?
And Comanche 00 Papa, say intentions?
I'm trying to sort it out here. I want to make sure I've exhausted all my possibilities.
00 Papa, if you want to circle east of the field and try and work it out, you can do that at 2,500.
Okay, we'll do that. You want me to make a right turn or left turn here?
Comanche 00 Papa, you can make left turns east of the field right there.
Okay, we're doing the left turn now.
Jet speed 116, contact Phoenix departure. Trailblazer 845, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear for takeoff, wind 170 at 8.
Clear for takeoff 21, Trailblazer 845.
Cessna 9 Mike Echo, turn base at your discretion, traffic departing, a Hawker, advised in sight.
Okay, turn base and wait for Hawker, what's the Mike Echo? Should traffic inside, what's the Mike Echo?
Cessna 9 Mike Echo, and correction, make this a full stop. We have a situation going on. Expect a full stop taxi back. Runway 21, clear to land.
Roger, we'll get us taxi back. And runway 21, clear to land. What's the Mike Echo?
Number 2, Lima Delta. Verify you were looking for touching us also.
No, we're departing Bravo South Transition over Phoenix.
Westbound turn unapproved for exchange approved. Comanche 00 Papa, same intentions. Would you like to hold out there for a while or make another attempt?
We'd like to hold out here for just a little while.
Comanche 00 Papa, roger. Advise when you like to either depart the area or if you have further intentions.
Yeah, I will.
Scottsdale Tower, TV15, SR51 and Greenway, Lima, Greenway, arrival please.
TV15, Scottsdale Tower, report 1 mile west, altimeter 2993.
993, 1 mile west, 15.
Trailblazer 845, contact Phoenix departure again.
Departure good day, Blazer 845. Tower TV15, can we be of any help with the Comanche? Do you need another set of eyes or a good camera?
No, that's okay. I know the gear is not down. I've got a physical indication of that with this kind of airplane.
Comanche 00 Papa, sorry, I think I cut you off a second.
Yeah, I don't need a camera or anything like that. I know the gear is not down. I have a physical indication in the cockpit with the way its gear is extended.
Cessna 9 Mike Echo, turn right and contact ground point 6.
Yes, turn right and contact ground point 6.
TV15, thanks for the offer. Landing agreement will be turn risk 11 Christian 19007.
15 understood, thank you.
Cessna 9 Mike Echo, contact ground 121.6.
TV15 is 1 mile.
TV15, roger. Landing will be turn risk.
Scottsdale Tower, Comanche 00 Papa.
Comanche 00 Papa, Scottsdale Tower.
Yeah, I've exhausted all of the potentials, all possibilities as far as getting the gear down, but it looks like it's going to go down.
Comanche 00 Papa, say your request.
I'd like to land on 2-1.
Okay, and you will not have gear?
I will not have gear.
TV15, departure will be at your own risk. Use caution. Remain west of the airport at all times. Altimeter 2993, wind calm. Comanche 00 Papa, runway 21, cleared to land. Wind calm, altimeter 2993.
2993, cleared to land on 2-1. And on short final, I'll be turning off the master switch so I won't have any radio comm.
Comanche 00 Papa, roger.
Comanche 00 Papa, we will have fire trucks and emergency equipment coming out for you.
Very well, thank you. And try to make it as clean as possible here. One person on board. And if this if this doesn't work out the way I want it to, would you please tell my wife I love her?
Roger. Home 609, are you on tower?
Scottsdale Tower, Banner 79 Charlie Echo.
Enter Charlie Echo, Scottsdale Tower.
Yeah, just tuned in and I heard something about a forced landing. You're closing field.
Enter Charlie Echo, that appears to be correct.
Okay, can you tell me what the expected time might be? We're approximately 14 miles to the southwest.
Okay, it's going to be hours, I'm sure.
I don't like that.
Tower, if you'd approve the taxiway, I'd use that 500 Pop.
00 Pop, negative.
11407, altimeter 29993.
So Tower System 9040 for Foxtrot 10 miles to southeast on the viewer Charlie practice approach, requesting full stop with Lima.
Cessna 9404 Foxtrot, Scottsdale Tower, unable, the runway is unusable at this time, should be for a couple hours due to an aircraft inbound. Same intentions.
0 for Foxtrot, we'll call you back. Okay, so Tower 0 for Foxtrot, I understand the runway is closed.
04 Foxtrot, the runway is unusable due to disabled aircraft.
Well, thank you. Okay, I misunderstood you. Requesting transition your airspace to Deer Valley.
04 Foxtrot, transition approved, altimeter 29993, report to miss.
To miss 0 for Foxtrot.
Helicopter 4448 uniform.
Helicopter 444, question 448, uniform South Scottsdale Tower, departing from Universal Woodbridge, run risk, northwest departure approved, wind 1403. Helicopter 4 uniform Hotel, a helicopter orbiting just northwest of the tower on the west side of the runway.
And 0 for Foxtrot, requesting transition to Deer Valley.
04 Foxtrot, transition Deer Valley approved, altimeter 2993, squawk VFR.
VFR 0 for Fox.
Cessna 04 Foxtrot for exchange period.
0 for Foxtrot.
Tower TV15 is going back inbound. Thank you very much.
TV15 landing will be at your own risk. Use caution 12003, altimeter 2993 today.
Good day, thank you.